Here we go. Batsman is all set for the first ball of the innings. Poor shot from the batsman.
Good field placements by the captain, and the bowler is responding well by bowling according to the field.
It's a quick delivery. Very difficult to get out of the way.
Teams are aware of how dangerous this player can be. Oh, that's nasty. Batsman looks uncomfortable there.
That's a difficult field to bowl to. Bowler has to be very tight with his line and length.
Goes over the top and in the gap. Well played.
Wonder where the next one's gonna fly.
Very well executed shot for 4. Not a great ball.
He's looking in good touch here. Bowler trying different things here. Ends up bowling wide.
Captain going for wickets. Slips in place.
Good shot. Very clean that. Nice pickup shot. Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman is all geared up to face his first ball. Oh, he missed that one.
The bowler looks charged up and is bowling good lines. This is beautiful to watch. He is making the ball talk. Pushed into the gap for a single.
There's a fielder at cover. He has taken the aerial route and no guessing where it's landed. No worry.
The bowler might need to change his line a bit here. That's too wide. Has to bowl that one again.
The bowler bowling from his favourite end. Oh, excellent delivery. He would be disappointed with himself. That was in his slot.
He has given it everything. And that's gone for 6. End of batting power play. Would be interesting to see how they approach their batting now. That is good bowling, making the batsman play. Unlucky to not get an edge. Poor shot selection. Could have done better. The bowler looks charged up and is bowling good lines.
Vicious, really vicious, right at the target. That's a difficult field to bowl to. Bowler has to be very tight with his line and length. Single taken, good rotation of strike here from the batsman. There is a fielder at cover. Nicely played, just a single. He has looked more comfortable against the fast bowlers.
Well played into the gap. Can the batsman get 2 here?
Running has been top class by both the batsmen. Spinner into the attack. Let's see how much spin can they extract on this pitch.
Deep point placed to cover that square region.
There is that sign of aggression from the batsman. He knows how to play this. Crowd senses a flurry of boundary here. They are making some serious noise. Goes big, high and long. That came from the middle of the bat. This is brilliant batting from the batsman.
Oh, well struck. That's going all the way for 6.
We are witnessing a cracker of a game here. Good to see the crowd getting involved. That's a wide. Has to bowl that one again. He has been relentless against the spinners.
Oh, he has got enough on that one to put it over the ropes. That's 6. Will he take on the bowler again? Let's see.
Good ball. Found the edge of the bat. Running has been top class by both the batsmen.
Keeping wickets in hand for death overs would be vital for a good score. Should be a comfortable 2 there.
Running has been top class by both the batsmen.
Pacer brought into the attack from the other end. Bowler needs to be precise with their line and length with this field.
Works it wide of the fielder for a single. There is a fielder at cover. He has connected that one. Oh, just the sound of it makes it beautiful to watch.
He looks in good batting form here. Goes over the top and in the gap. Well played.
It's a sight to watch him bat.
He hasn't hit that well, and the fielder will take it.
The bowler bowling from his favourite end.
The batsman fails to put bat on that ball.
Last ball of the innings coming up.
Well, that's nasty. The ball kept following him.
First innings comes to a close. The target is set and the openers rush to the pavilion to get